All right, let's also bring in Mr. Gohar Raza. He's a scientist with NISC. He joins us from Ahmedabad. Professor Das Gupta is also with us. Sir, I'll come to you in Ahmedabad first. About what really shall we expect from this mission realistically? I mean, it's everybody's fantasy to have another planet, perhaps for human beings to inhabit, but what realistically is NASA aiming at doing with this mission?
See, the major objective, when you have such a large project, there is not just one objective that you go with. But the major objective of this particular mission, it seems, is to find the footprints of any life that might have been there on the red planet, neighbor. If that is found, then we can know much more about two major things. It can open up a lot of research projects over a period of time. One is that how come there was life on Mars? This is one area which will open up for future scientists. The other could be that, is it habitable? Can we go there? Can we harness resources from there? All these questions will suddenly open up if we are able to answer this question, that whether there was ever any even microbial life on any other planet. Mars is closest to us, therefore Mars is the first prey, the place where we can go probably easily as compared to any other place. It's not like Venus where habitation is almost impossible. But Mars is a place which is very close to, it's almost a sister planet, because you have seasons, you have all kinds of things happening there which happen on Earth. One of the major things is that the temperature of Mars average temperature of Mars is much lower than Earth's temperature. But the variation is very large.
Yes.
And therefore, the question that we can inhabit it or not is a major question for humanity right from the beginning, when we came to know about Mars as a planet and a sister planet and closest to Earth kind of planet. So the operation that is being done is a highly sophisticated operation, and in order to answer just one question probably, which is the major question for human beings, whether there was ever life on Mars or not. If we can find the footprints, it'll open up many possibilities.
Mr. Raza, if I'm not mistaken, there have always been reports that perhaps water could be found on the surface of Mars. We do know that Russia is sending an instrument on Curiosity to detect water. Now, will this act as a confirmation, or will this be the first stage?
No, we know that Mars has water. We know that Mars has ice. We know that carbon dioxide, which is in solid state, is found on the two caps. But what we don't know is that whether there was life ever on Mars. Probably there was water. But was there life or not? On the surface, yeah, liquid water at most places is not there because of the pressure conditions and the temperature conditions. But ice, that's water ice, is there, and very deep glaciated ice, hard solid ice is there on Mars, that we know.